are you? I think that you are okay and very good. Welcome to my English lesson for the 7th grade. In our today's new theme is writing a short paragraph of an essay about families' eating habits. Today, you will know that understand the meaning of the context of the video while listening. Use topical vocabulary and syntax while answering to the given questions. Write a short essay about families' eating habits. Okay, pupils, look at the picture, please, and find out the theme of the lesson. Just now, I want to show you an interesting video. Okay, pupils, do you like the video? What about the video? Do you keep your eating habits? Do your family eat healthy food? Do you know about healthy food and unhealthy food? Let's remember about healthy and unhealthy foods, pupils. Healthy foods are apples, cabbage, carrots, eggs, fish, banana, nuts. And unhealthy foods are cake, chocolate, cola, hamburgers, hot dog, pizza, popcorn, and sweets. Okay, pupils, the next task is for reading. The text about my family's eating habits. In my family, we love good food. Every day, my mom cooks delicious breakfast, lunch and dinner for everyone. She cooks very well. In the morning, my mother cooks sandwiches with eggs and ham for me and my brothers. We drink milk too. My older brother usually drinks orange juice. My father drinks coffee with milk. He never drinks orange juice. At noon, we have lunch. We sit around the table and we eat chicken with chips, tomato salad and bread. We always have cheese on the table, but my little sister never eats cheese and tomato. I like eat cheese very much. In the evening, my family and I have dinner. I sometimes help my mother cook tasty burgers. I like cooking in the kitchen. I can cook burgers, potatoes, and salad. We always eat our burgers around the table. Then we sit on the sofa and we watch TV in the living room. And now, pupils, let's write true or false. Correct the false sentences. The first sentence. pupils. In my family, we love good food. The second sentence, in the evening, my mother cooks cakes. The third sentence, my father drinks coffee with milk. The fourth sentence, at noon, we have breakfast. The fifth sentence, I always help my father cook hamburgers. The sixth sentence, we always eat our burgers around the table. And now, people, let's do this task. Look through the text. Please write the true answer. Have you understood the text? Let's do these tasks, please. Okay, pupils. And now, let's do the second task. You must write a short essay about my family's eating habits, using phrase from listening topic and use the plan of writing essay. Listen topic about my family's eating habits. I will read it for you. I believe that eating together as a family develops excellent family relationships. A family meal is when the people you live with come together to eat and talk. It can include everyone, or it can be just you and your child. Family meals don't have to be fancy, and they can be eaten at noon or every. Usually in my family at the dinner we have healthy food because my mother knows about healthy food. She cooks paired from fish, meat, vegetables, fish. This food don't consist of salt because she knows that salt is unhealthy. Sometimes the healthy food consists of cheese and fresh fruits. Okay, pupils, you must write a short essay about your family, about your family's eating healthy habits. Then, please send it to your teacher. Okay, pupils, plan of writing essay. You must write 3 sentences about healthy food. You must write about 4 sentences about influences families eating on the health, name the using foods, and 5 sentences which describe families' dinner. Now, pupils, the lesson is over. Goodbye. Thank you for your attention.